So I don't know if you can see, it says 71, but tap on it. So what I was told, they're gonna replace the whole unit in a couple weeks just to get them going. So I'm gonna run a new controller in the back. I'm gonna get the neutral and the power for it from here. So I'll have the neutral already wired up. Time for the black, the power. So I've got the power wires. Disconnected the fan compressor. Put that together. So I removed my wires. They already have a black and a white ran from here. So I'm gonna use those ones for the power for the controller. Run the new sensors. Then you're gonna put a coil sensor right there. And the cabinet sensor was right there. I moved it over here. Got the sensors, yellow neutral, red is to the fans. All the neutrals wired together. Condenser fan motor, compressor. Still need to put a couple of zip ties. Let's turn it on, see what happens. Kicked on, the fan's on. What happens. Went through, programmed the controller. Not too bad. Compressor doesn't feel too hot. Still got display. Getting down the temperature. Nice and good. Already satisfied. Cycle back on. It's at 38. I have it satisfied at 35. It's already satisfied. Only the fans running.